Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can exploit virality and free traffic for CPA marketing. But I have to be honest with you. In this method you actually need to invest some time and some work, and you probably won't make thousands and thousands of dollars. But you will make enough money so you can invest in some other method, for example paid ads, that will help you to make thousands and thousands of dollars with CPA marketing. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to find CPA offers to promote. And for that you can use Max Bounty, you can use CPA Build, you can use CPA Lead or any other CPA affiliate network. But for this purpose, I am going to use CPA Grip. So I'm here in CPA Grip on my offers. So let's say I wish to promote a crypto related CPA offer because crypto is a huge trend for 5 or 6 years now. So what I need to do, I need to simply type here crypto, and here you can see I have only 2 offers available and they are both from France. So when I click here, I can actually get more information. Here you can see I can earn 68 cents for every email submit. But let me quickly check, is this actually a trend in France? So what I need to do, I simply need to go on Google Trends and I need to paste here crypto and click here on search. And here I need to choose France, okay, France, and here I will choose in past 90 days, in past 3 months, and here you can see actually this is a pretty stable trend right now in France in past 3 months. So it is not too huge trend, but it is a stable and good trend, which means there are still lots of people in France who are interested in crypto, and that means I can make money by promoting CPA offer in crypto niche. So what I need to do, I actually need to go back on CPA Grip and I need to copy my CPA Grip affiliate link for this CPA offer. Click here and I'm going to paste that in Notepad because I'm going to need that later. Okay, so now when I have my CPA offer, next thing I need to do, I need to go on a website called Rightly. And you need to register for a free trial. Now, even though it says free trial, you can actually continue using this website even after free trial ends. But only limitation is you will be able to create just one ad with that free plan. Now, after you create your free account, what you need to do, you need to scroll here and you need to click here on create a new ad and then click here on edit in order to create your new ad. Now, first thing you need to do, you actually need to add your CPA Grip, in this case, affiliate link. So I already copied that, so I will simply Ctrl C, minimize this. And then what you need to do, you need to scroll here and where it says button link, and you need to paste your CPA Grip affiliate link. And also where it says logo link, you need to paste your affiliate link, your CPA Grip affiliate link. And then you need to scroll back here, and here you need to choose an ad name. Let's just say, for example, so let me just delete this default. This is only for you, so you can organize your campaigns better. It is not that important. So let's just say test for this example. Here you need to choose text, video, image, invisible. I will choose image, okay? So click here on image, and here you need to choose evil pop-up, okay? That is important. Show after, now that is also really important. Now you should choose between 10 and 20 seconds. Now what that means that this pop-up here will show only after 10 seconds when someone click on your link, and only 10 seconds after that this pop-up will show up, okay? And for this purpose I'm going to show just 5 seconds so I can show you how this looks. You need to add an image, so just click here upload, and I already made an image. Okay, this is how my ad will look like, okay? And with, okay, you leave it as it is. Sound to play on pop-up, you don't need any sound, you can add it, but you don't really need any of that. Button text, now that is also really important because this is basically a call to action. I already prepared that, this is on French, so copy that and I will paste that here, okay? This is my call to action, and here you can see how it looks. So when someone click here and submit their email, I'm going to earn 68 cents. And here you can see logo powered by, okay, no need to do anything here. You can change the logo image, as you can see here. You don't really need to do any of that. Now when you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on done, and that's it. You will create your pop-up ad. okay? So next thing you need to do, this is really, really important. You actually need to go on YouTube and you need to find crypto related videos that are going viral. So just type here crypto in this case and press enter. And because we are looking for viral videos, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on filters and then click here on this year. And then again, click on filters and then click here on view count. And here you can see viral videos, crypto related viral videos in this year. So go through these videos to find some that are going viral. For example, okay, this looks like an interesting video. How I hacked a hardware crypto wallet and recovered $2 million. Now, this is the problem that some people have with cryptocurrency, and many people actually think, okay, I may have a problem like this. So how do I do that? I should watch this video, right? 5.8 million views in 7 months. Now, this is really important. So what you need to do, you need to right click here and then you need to click here on copy link, okay? Go back on rightly, paste that link here, okay? And here I can choose test because this is a free account. I will only have one campaign and that is test. If you are in paid membership, then you will have multiply options here, okay? And then click here on generate link with an ad. Give it a few seconds to actually generate that link. This is the link. Click here on copy and let me just paste that here to show you how it actually looks. And this is how it looks. Give it 5 seconds to upload a pop-up. And this is a pop-up. So when someone click here and submit their email, I'm going to earn 68 cents. So now when I have my viral video and the pop-up, and next thing I need to do, I actually need to start driving free traffic to my rightly link. So next thing that you need to do, you need to go on Google and here in search bar, you need to type something like crypto forum, okay, and press enter. And here you can find a list of crypto related forums. And you can also, in this case, search for crypto forums in France, okay, or some other country, depending from which country you are actually promoting CPA offer. And you need to register on all of these crypto related forums in this case. And not just crypto related forums, but also make money online forum. Now, forums. Now, I'm already registered on Warrior Forum, and I know that there are actually many people from France who are on Warrior Forum. So what you need to do, you need to click here on your username and then click here on settings. Now, this is important part of the video. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on edit signature, and you need to edit your signature. So what I'm going to do, I will actually go back here on YouTube, and I'm actually going to copy this, okay? Control C. And I'm going to paste that here, okay? Paste it here. And here I actually need to highlight this, okay? And I need to click here on this insert link, okay? And here I need to go back here and I need to copy the link to basically to my bridge page. And I need to paste that here. Click OK, and then click here, save signature, and that's it. I saved my signature. And next thing I need to do, I need to start contributing to this forum, to the crypto related discussion. So here in search bar, let's just type crypto, okay, crypto, and then press enter to search crypto related topics on this forum. Actually, let's just search for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin. And here you will see, okay, there is lots of Bitcoin related topics, and you need to, like I said, you need to join discussion in all of these topics here in all of these discussions and try to contribute as much as you can. And not just on this forum, but on all of these forums. Yes, I know it takes about 2 to 3 hours of work every day, but people will see this. How I hacked a hardware crypto wallet and recovered $2 million, right? Many people will click on it to see how this guy actually did that. And that is why they will see your pop-up. And they will actually, many people from France will click here and submit their information, and you will earn 68 cents. So this is how you do CPA marketing as a beginner by using virality and free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.